when I see my own ego being a real jerk, now you probably see it more often than I do, but when I see that, my God, Tom, you were such a jerk on that point, I'll write down, and what it usually is for me is I prejudge somebody. So I met you the first time, and it's like, oh, this Nick guy, oh, he seems like a real loser. And then I meet you and I think, oh my God, you're such a cool guy. You're a great friend. And I'll write it down. I met Nicholas on this day, and I first thought he had, you had blue hair or something. Oh, he's so weird. And then I realized, no, that was nothing. Mm-hmm. But my ego made a judgment. Mm-hmm. And whenever I catch myself making those kind of judgments, I take note. Wow. Don't forget it, Tom. You are judgmental, and you do not want to be that way. I'm not a bad guy because I'm judgmental, but the truth is, I do judge, I do criticize. And as meditators, we see that loop running in our minds. Nick said this, and then I said that, and Jeff said this, and my sister said that. You stop. Slow down all that thought process during your meditation. And after the meditation, you can take notes. Wow, I'm really judgmental with person A, B, and C. Mm-hmm. Or, wow, that was a very peaceful, mindful meditation. It seemed to go really much more peacefully than the last 3 nights. So when you have a running record of stuff, you can, so to speak, monitor your progress. Mm-hmm. Even though I'll say there's no such thing as progress, but there is a thing such as monitoring. Mm-hmm. And the so-called progress will evolve, mm-hmm. meaning you're going to be more peaceful, more gentle, more kind, more compassionate. Those things will evolve and emerge naturally by practicing what I teach in this book, which is why it's called hands-on. Right. You don't just sit back there and read, okay, finish that, cross it off. Waste of time. That is just somebody's theory. Mm-hmm. But when you practice in chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, all the things we're talking about, you start seeing results. And I would like there to be a record of it, because I'm not claiming that these things are magical. I'm simply saying you do the practice and you will see it for yourself. Mm-hmm. You can't ask the author to prove it. The author needs to ask you to prove it. And I've got hundreds of students and many people that you know. You see them glowing in their life. Right.